Yo, what's up? I'm him, and today is November 30th. Is this the last day of the month? Oh, yeah. Yeah, today is the last day of the month. End of November. Anyways, today is Saturday, and I'm back doing a live stream. I've already hit my goal for the year. I decided I'm not going to just quit, given that I hit the goal for the year. I'll keep pushing through. But I did decide to take my holidays off, seeing as I've already hit the goal. So that's why y'all haven't seen me all week. And honestly, I debated even streaming today. I did work yesterday, and I was like, yeah, I could stream, but for what? And I decided to just turn on the stream today before I ask that second question, that follow-up for what, and then and just go back to working. What I normally like to do, just get stuff done. Anyways, I will be working on what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna continue to work on my ACP API library. Try to get more of that complete. This is something that I'm doing outside of work on my own time, but it's for work, and I would like to get it done before Christmas so that I can give that as a gift, to the good folks at the company, as well as to some of our customers. Outside of that, I have some stuff that I need to do in the Final Cut space. It's not editing this time. It's more of updating my project templates to work with the latest version of Final Cut 11. And now that, who is it? Film Convert? Yeah, I think Film Convert. Now that they updated their plugin to work with Final Cut 11, I can now go and update my templates and start to incorporate some of the new things that I've been doing in some of my videos, which if you haven't seen, I would encourage you to go check it out. I've been experimenting with a very particular thing in my video all year, and that's been audio. My goal at the beginning of this year initially was just to publish 50 videos. I didn't have any real idea of how I was going to do that. When I got my bike, it suddenly became easier because I'll just ride my bike. But that also threw some challenges my way. Specifically, how do I convey what it's like to ride my motorcycle to those who've never been on a motorcycle and those who've never seen or been around or heard a Ducati? So that's kind of what I have been pushing for ever since I got the bike, and that's been the catalyst behind meeting my video goal. Now I'm starting to focus on the camera angle. Like, what does it look like? So I got the fill, which is stuff like the frame rate, the motion blur, that kind of thing. I've got the audio. I think my audio is in such a short period of time, I think it's night and day. If you compare my first motovlog to my last ride, I don't even know if you can say that the same person made it. But yeah, enough of all of that kind of talking. Let's go ahead and get to what I said I want to work on, which is this API client thing. So I'll go ahead and share my screen. Oh, by the way, if you hear noises, I am currently washing. Well, I'm technically not washing clothes. I'm drying clothes. And technically, I guess they're dry. I just left them in yesterday, so I'm technically unwrinkling my clothes. How about that? So I got this app right here, and it's only here because I was going to try to test out. Oh, you know what? How about this? Let's open up the library right quick. All right, so now we can at least see, what I got going on here. close all of that. So we got subscriptions, user, messages for now. So I did these all last night, SMS. All those were done last night. And also corrected some issues as well last night. Let's open up desktop. See what I did. Yeah, so there was a couple issues. And then here is adding the stuff that I was just talking about. Yeah, 9 hours ago. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip doing the rest of push. That's what I was working on last night. I'm gonna move on from push for now. It's not because it's done, it's just because I'm just gonna do it, you know? I can't test push this easily. That's why this app right here is up. It said I was gonna build a new app, but then I was like, yeah, it's a little too much effort to it's not as simple as just building an app. You have to go and get a new do I need a new certificate? No, I don't think I would need a new certificate, but I would need to change my bundle identifier and potentially some other things, which would just be too much effort. So decided I'm not gonna do it. All right, where is, I thought I had a browser open at one point in my life. Maybe I don't. Oh wait, no, I do. Okay, never mind, it's here. Okay. Maybe I'll bring it over so that it's not just this black box and y'all are like, oh, what's going on? So I'll just bring it over. I'll work on one monitor. And then I'll also bring over this thing over here, something that I was looking at. I found an interesting implication of the Pareto principle. And that kind of made me go back and look at it because I'm trying to get a little bit more rigor behind my understanding, because I had never considered, you know, what I had just learned. Also, this is dope. I can change the appearance of this now. That's dope. Let me log in. Actually, no, I'm not gonna log in right now. It's a distraction. Let's get back to work. So I can do live activities. Yeah, can I do a live? Yeah. I can do the live activity. Maybe I'll do that, or maybe I'll just do the view message. Yeah, let me do the rest of these message APIs, and then I'll move on to templates, maybe, or segments or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my messages right here. So all of this is the create message stuff. Okay. And this YAML is, I don't like it. I think that's the right level of indentation. It won't build if it's wrong, which is, that's always fun. All right, so what I want to do is view a message. So let's do that. So we'll say view message. This will be a request. Oh. Wait, what's up with this tab? Oh my gosh, it's doing it again. Shit. It's not liking the tab. Let me make sure that I had that right. Yeah, that's right. Name. Ugh. Why is it doing that many jumps? Maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe, hopefully it doesn't matter. We'll just say view message. And this is a get. Oh, wow. I need to go get my tea. I forgot. I just warmed up my tea. It's probably cold, man. I'll be right back. Okay, so where was I? I need to add a URL, and the URL is right over here. I'm gonna make this bigger. It's a little bit too small. Actually, no, I'm not gonna make it bigger. What I'm gonna do is first get my switcher on the right screen, and paw. We'll bring that over here as well, so we can see everything. Cool. Oh, excuse me. So I am looking at the view message, which I've already created over here. So I'll just read it from here. These correspond. It's just, I don't know. It's just easier for me to read it here. It's not like it really makes a big difference. Where are my, oh, here we are. These are my params. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna do the host. And then this is notifications. And then we're gonna give a notification ID, which we will get from a chain. We'll call it a message ID. All right. Request URL. Wait, what? Request URL param. That doesn't make sense. All right. This is wrong. This should have said app ID. Yeah, there we go. Not that it really matters. I'm moving, like I'm not going to be sharing the thing on the right. I'm sharing the thing on the left, which is also this thing up here. It's the same thing. It's just the backing behind what you see above it. All right, so we're going to get a message ID, and then we're going to follow that up with a query parameter for app ID. And this is weird, like really weird. Change app. Actually, this should just be app ID, like that. Okay. Go and add this other chain, which I don't think I have. Maybe I do. Let's see. Message. I guess I don't. Nah, I don't have it. Okay, so then we'll add it. Gosh, I hate YAML. It's not good. Okay, I think that indenting is right. And I just got to make sure I spell it correctly. Otherwise, it'll blow up in my face. All right. All right, I think that's fine. And it looks like I need authorization as well. So we'll add some headers. Authorization. API key. This is just a get, so I shouldn't have to do anything else. message. Make sure everything is spelled right. Yep, cool. All right, so now I should be able to view a message. The problem is just that I don't really want to go and figure out what messages there are to view, but I guess I'm gonna have to do it. Like, doesn't matter what I want to do, right? If it needs to be done. It's gonna bring over a few items. So move this to here, and that, and that, and that. Okay. Where's the delivery? Oh, there we are. So I should be able to just come here and just find the message. I'm assuming this is a message ID, I hope. It's one of our demo account. So we're gonna view a message, dump that in there. Oh shit, that was one. Look at that. I was right, I know everything. I was just testing y'all. You don't know. All right, look at that. And include aliases. Okay, perfect, perfect. Well, I guess it'll be easier to just searching. Is it that? Yeah, included aliases. Is it not that? Damn it. I don't know the name of the property. Oh, it's include alias. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Man, I don't know. I really wish I could use JQ. That's all I can say. Like, I know JQ. Well, I don't know. I know them all loosely, although JQ is the one that I know the best. I know the most. I can do the most with. JSON pass, I'm like, it feels like it's kind of like jQuery, kind of, I guess, with this whole $sign BS. Anyways, my view message works. I'm moving on. And before I move on, let's do some committing action. So we're gonna add view message. Okay, I've gotten some things. Let me move this off the, well, I guess I won't move it off the screen. Let's move it like right here. All right, what's next? We have view messages. I think that's easier because it's messages, plural. So that means I don't really have to do anything. I'll just make a request to the endpoint. So we're gonna copy that and then fix YAML doing whatever it's doing. I'm gonna pluralize this. I don't like this though. So that's view message. I'm gonna call this list messages. Why did I add a T? at the end of messages. I said messages. That makes sense. All right, so we're gonna do a get and then notifications. Huh? I don't know if that's right. I think this should be app ID too. Yeah, I was right. That should be app ID. Okay. I don't know when or how or why that was changed. So we got our list messages. We're gonna do our notification. And then we're gonna do a little bit of that. Okay. And then I can also do these limits and all that other kind of crap. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. So we'll say limit equal, let's just say 10, 20, 10. You can come in and like change that if you want. What was the other ones? Offset. Zero. Maybe I should make another request for this and call it page or something like that. Page. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna make it this way first and then I'm gonna split it. All right, so we're gonna do that in kind, and we're gonna parameterize this, and that's gonna be the message type. Is that what I called it? I forgot what I called subscription type. I think it's gonna be that. Ah, shit. No, it's not. It's something else. Fuck. Oh, okay. See, the thing is that I want to have options, but I want the values to be different than what I present in the UI. So, yeah. So anyway, this is wrong here. This isn't going to be the subscription type. It's going to be a new thing. It's just going to be a message kind. That don't make sense to me. Creation type. I don't know. Like it's really to do with the source of how the message was created. That's really what it has to do with. This either you could do it from our API, the dashboard, or some automated thing. I'm gonna call it kind, but I don't like it. I prefer like something like message source or something like that, or like message creation type. Creation kind. We won't be creative for now. I'm just gonna call it message kind. Just go with the flow. I'll have to define that eventually. It's one of these. Or none of them. So what I think I'm going to end up doing is duplicating this 3 times and hard coding it. So it's like one will be get dashboard messages, API, and then automated. Yeah, let me add a little note for that. Okay. And then I also want to implement convenience. Man, I can't spell. Okay. Cool. Not sure why it's giving me highlight issues over a goddamn comment. Ugh. Okay. Where was I? Not there. I wasn't there. Template ID. Why are these all part of the man? Something like that. Yeah, this is going to explode into a few more than what's here. Time offset. Okay. I think I'm there. So kind is gonna be the last one that I do for this one. I think. Yeah. The reason why is because if I give a template ID, kind shouldn't be necessary. Because the template has its own kind. So this is going to be view messages pager. So this is basically wait, where is it? This one. That's what that is. We'll call it page messages list, or page messages. How about that? In fact, I'm gonna get rid of the kind here. And the assumption is if you're paging, then like maybe you don't care about kind. Maybe you do, I don't know. So add it back later. Okay, so now I need to duplicate this. Why does it keep doing this? So this is gonna be view messages. And this is just going to be all of them. So we'll get rid of this limit offset. You know what? I do want to have that back on here. Yeah, we'll keep that on there for now. All right, so we have request for pay. That's done. Request for each kind. Okay, so we'll do that now. Which is basically this right here, kinda. All right, so this first one is, oh shit, what did I just do? What? Okay. Okay, sure. So we're gonna do view messages. We're gonna call these a dashboard. How about that? View dashboard messages, something like that. View dashboard messages. Okay. Oops. Say kind is gonna equal 0. I think, hopefully. I could just go and check, you know, that's what the docs are for. Let's go and look. I was right. It's a waste of my time. I need to look. All right, we're gonna do the same thing. Same rigmarole. This is gonna be view API messages. View API messages. I feel like I should be limiting these. I am gonna limit this. Limit is equal to 10. You can come in and change it if you want in the future. View messages, pager, kind, limit, offset. Okay, yeah, we're good there. And then we will do this one more time. These will be automated. And this will be 3. All right, cool. So for each kind, yep, we're done. And then we want one sent from a template. Okay. Message, view template message is it just I think yeah it should be is plural. Okay, view templated messages. Yo, what's up, Casual Economist? How you doing? So we're gonna get rid of kind because the template has its own kind. So say template ID, and we will pull that in from a chain too. Call it a message template ID. Something like that. Okay, so I got a couple things that I need. I need a message kind, so let's go and do that. I had a message. Oh, here we are. Yeah, up here. So it's a message kind source. This is going to be selection. Now, what I want is, oh wait, I guess I need a message. I forgot, yeah, I do need a message. Choose message. Source. Source of creation. source of creation, like that. So what I want is, I want to be able to say something like this: 0, and then a space, and then something else, right? So that I can say something like dashboard. I don't want to have 0, 1, and 3. This is silly to me. I'm going to do it for now, but eventually I want to fix this. Or we'll just do this. 0 dashboard. One is API, and 3 is automated. I think that works. Yeah, that works. And I've already forgotten the other thing that I need to add. Message template ID. There we go. Okay, let's see. Template, message template ID. What did I call it? Message template ID. Okay, so I have a bunch of new things here. I have view message, page messages. Wait, why do I have 2? God damn it. Page messages. I forgot to change one of them. Oh wait, no, this is just view message. Yeah, this is just view messages. There we go. So now I should be able to, yep. Perfect. So now I can come in here and look through all of my messages. Let's make this a little bit bigger. See what it looks like. All right, look at that. Yeah, so this is all my messages, I guess. This looks like this is is it an array? It should be an array. Oh yeah, cool. So let's try something. So we'll try to get the notifications. Okay. Wait, is this an arrays of objects? That's weird. Can I do this? I should learn whatever the fuck this is, JSON path. I should spend a few minutes to learn it. Oh wait, never mind. I've learned enough. Oh wait. Never mind, I didn't learn anything. Or maybe it's creating an array from here. Let's try it. Let's do ADM big picture, see what comes up. Yeah, shit. I should probably learn JSON path one day. Does the stream count for no? To date, this year is still 2024. No, I'm just streaming, bro. It don't really, it's just like, it'll be calculated at the end of the year, just like I did last year. And next year's goal will be based on this year's goal. So really, I'm just making it harder on myself next year. Cause I am doing an increase. I don't think I'm gonna do a 20% increase or even a 10%, but I'm thinking about a 5% increase in the amount of hours that I stream for next year. which it doesn't sound like a lot, but this year I'm over 400. So let's just pretend that I end the year at 450 hours. You know, that's like 24 hours of extra streaming. That's 5%. You know, that's a whole day of content. I should think, well, you know what? How many, hold on, 20 days? Have I streamed for 20 days? Nah, not 20 days. It's been less than 20 days. It's between what 16 and 20 days that I've streamed this year, a total. Like, if you want to just take the number of hours, let's do the math. So I'm at over 400, but we're just going to use 400. Yeah, I was right. Yeah, between 16 and 20 days. Yeah. Okay. View messages works. Perfect. Let's page messages. Wait. Okay, sure. Oh, look at that. That works. These are all of the ones that were created from the API. These are all the dashboard ones. Oops. Man, I really wish they would let me use JQ. Like, I need JQ in my life. It's actually easy to, like, I could just copy it, I suppose. Could just do that. Wait, what is this viewing this in? Is it not using my text editor? I wonder if I could send this to JQ just straight up as is. I'm gonna have to figure out how to extend this to better suit my needs, but that seems to be working. Let's try automated messages. Yeah, sure, you get some. All right, let's view dashboard messages. So before I do it, this is dashboard here. Yeah, cool, this dashboard here. The first one that comes up is 3430 for the total count. The way I'm going to test this, because I don't really have a great way of testing this, is I'm going to look for that same, oh wait, no, that's not kind of, yeah, I'm going to look for that same count. This right here, when I do view dashboard messages. 3430, yep, see, 3430. So this is the way that I'm testing to see the accuracy. I actually don't know if this is a good way to test it, but it's all I have. So now let's look at API messages. We're going to do the same thing. We got 33. So we should get 33. Perfect. And now we're going to do automated messages. We get 63. And we get 63. All right. That's good enough for me. Now we got to see view templated messages. I gotta find a template ID. Okay. This would be a good time to implement the template APIs. But we can do it this way too. Just find one of these templates. Oh, that looks like mine. Templates. Here we are. None. Okay, let's find something that potentially had, oh wait, bullshit, that says 1.6. Okay, we'll use this. Interesting. Okay. I wonder if I had to put kind. We'll call this a 3, maybe. See what that does. Nothing. Put this as a 1. Actually, no, it wouldn't be 1. It would be 0. Nothing. Okay, so. Huh. Come on now. They're definitely. Am I looking at the right thing? So I think all automated messages have a backing template, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to try this. Now, my hope is that this will show me a template ID somewhere, maybe. So what I'm going to do is look for that message. Oh, what is that? View messages? I don't like that. View S. Right there. Yeah, that's not good. This should probably say list messages. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, whoa. Oh, okay, I'm tripping. Okay, yeah, we're good. In fact, I'm gonna also, anything that's to do is this is gonna be list. That way I limit my confusion. And honestly, I should also change these because it doesn't actually exist, but I'm gonna leave it for now. And maybe this could be a larger conversation. Okay, so we got all the listings. So now I can go to view. Now I'm no longer confused. Put in this message ID. All right. Let's see if there's a template associated with it. Template ID. Yes, there is. All right, and we're gonna dump that here. And we said, wait, okay, all right. I'm just going to put a little comment and say that this doesn't seem to be working. Okay, cool. Move on. Implement requests for messages sent from templates. That's, yeah, I tried. Now the last one is sent after a certain time period. Okay, sure. So I think what I'll do is take that, copy it. Say sent after. We're going to limit it again. I've already, maybe I'll call the message kind. Like, I think I forgot. Okay. I forgot the name of the parameter. Time offset. Okay. So we'll say time offset is equal to something. I don't know what it is. We'll get it from the chain though. We'll say chain, and then we'll say time offset. Something like that. Sent after. All right, and ISO says yes, yeah, something formatted timestamp. So just one of these. Okay, well, that's easy enough to do. Let's get a timestamp for now, and wait, I thought there was a way where I can change the time and add time to it. Oh, it is. Okay, all right, we're good. Okay. But I can't. These are not, it's not letting me do it. No worries. We'll just take November 1st. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. So we're gonna say dashboard, and that didn't work. Okay. And it's probably because I didn't actually create one of these things that I needed to create. How is, wait, what? Wait. Oh, 8601 format. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so difficult. All right, there we go. 3430. Wait, hold on. Wait, literally all of them were this month? Let's change this to the 21st. I don't know if that's working. That doesn't. Huh. Okay, all right, wait. Let's see. Today is the 30th, so let's see. If we go to the 29th to today, it's only a few hours. I'm pretty sure I don't understand what's happening here. How is the total count always the same? Unless it's just telling me that this is the amount of messages that I have in general. That could be what's happening. And you know what? It's time to learn JSON path, whatever the fuck. What is JSON path? I mean, I know what it is, but like, why? Like, why are we using it? Is really what I need to know. Doc. Root element in the query. Wildcard deep scan available anywhere. Name is required. Name dot noted child. Bracket notated child of children. Array index or indexes. Array slice. Filter expression. Expression must evaluate to a Boolean value. Okay, and that's a question mark. Okay. Inside of here. Okay. All right. Oh shit! I get functions. All right. This is good. I get a min, max, average, standard deviation, like some keys. Okay. I can concatenate first, last, index. Oh, okay. This is useful. First and last here. All right. Let's test some things out. So we're gonna do the root element. Okay, so that gives me the root element. Okay, is the root element an array? Let's see. No, it's not. Is it an object array? No, it's not. Can I do a total count? I can, okay. So that means that I'm actually starting here. I'm starting here. So if I do dot notifications dot first, is that a function? No. Dot notifications, okay. All right. And I can't do dot first. Interesting. How does this work? Store book, which is an array of things. I wonder if, let's see. Okay, okay. Okay, that flattens it. I can get stuff out of it, I guess. Can I call first one here? No. Okay. But this gives me everything. So I wonder if I just wanted to do included players. Can I just do included players? Player IDs? Or do I need to do a dot? Nah, they didn't like that. Okay, how would I do that? I saw in here in the grammar that there's a way I can give a name. Right here. Ah, okay, so then, wait, array index. Nah, I don't know if that's the way you would do it. All right, so I think what I've just done is I've gotten 2 notifications now. And what I'm looking for is the date. Yeah. It's a lot of, you know what? It would be easier if I make it a little bit larger. And maybe I can full screen. I guess I can't. Okay, yeah, perfect. All right, well, I thought there would be a way to like verify that this is working, but maybe not. All right, well, that was a waste of time. Oh, wait, whoa. Send after completed at. Maybe that's it. Let's take a look at that. Okay, that is, where's the UTC? 2024 10:30 16 for, what's that? That's like 4 p.m. right? No. Yeah. That's 4 p.m. That's 4 p.m. But that's UTC, so I had to subtract 6. So what is that? That's what, 11, 9, 10. That's 10 a.m. today. That's probably me. Oh, wait, unless someone's working right now. What kind of message is this? Does it say? Platform delivery stats. Now I'm into, like, who is someone working on the weekend? Now I'm over here trying to figure out who the hell is out here putting in work on the weekend, because that's the only way that this message would have that date, was if it was just sent. So I'm trying to see if this is an automated message. Demo for Sharon and Dave. Okay, that's some new folks. Send after completed ad. Yeah, this isn't telling me whether or not these were created on the API or something like that. Is there like a message kind in here somewhere? Let's see. Kind. Nah, there's not. Okay. All right. Well, sure. It seems to work. So I'm going to move on. So what did I add? We had the sent after automated. Okay. Add view message requests. Okay. Cool. That was view message. So that's now done. And I now know a little bit of this. I need to actually read it though, for real. I'm gonna read all of this later, so I'm gonna keep it open. Okay, let's move on. We can cancel a message. Yeah, that seems like something worth doing right now. Wait, whoa. Okay, yeah, this is done. Yeah, this is done. Hmm. All right. I wasn't expecting that one. Oh, okay. All right. This is a me problem. I forgot a URL. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot a piece of the URL. Let's see, where is it at? Request is malformed. Failed to parse app ID from the request. What do you mean? Oh, it's okay. So it's not getting there somehow. Did I not spell it right? Oh, wait, no, it's not my first time putting it in here. So that should work. All right, let's try this again. Oops. Okay, I get to figure out what's going on with my JSON. I think I'll have an idea. Let me get rid of my formatting that I added and see if that has any effect. So I'll let this thing do it. No? It got me back to the same thing. Keep doing it until it works. App ID location. I don't understand. Did I spell events properly? Look at this proper toast. Let me fix that. I don't want that to be broken. I see what I've done. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, I see what I've done. But this is what Git is for. So I accidentally changed these right here. I don't want to change that. We're gonna leave that alone. In fact, let's just get rid of all of that. And then we'll take these and then I can discard. Oops. Whatever, fine. We'll just discard line by line. It doesn't matter. So now we should be back to what this was before. Yeah, looks like we are. And this is correct now. Now let's see if we still get the battery. Oh shit. What did I just do? is that running? There we go. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Well, yeah, it worked technically. All right, let's give this a message. So we'll request this message history. Oops. All right. Messages are now complete, except for the push. There's still several push that I need to do, and there may be more SMS in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to templates, and then I think once I've finished templates, I'm gonna call. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'll do segments too, and then I'm gonna call it a day. Or maybe I'll just do templates. Yeah, we'll just do templates for now. Is it a tab? I forgot. Yeah, it is a tab. I'm gonna do view template first. This should probably just be template. Oh wait, never mind. I actually explicitly wanted to say email. Never mind. I guess we can use the message template ID. right, let's see how this works. Man, it would be so dope to be able to collapse without having to go all the way up to the top like I'm doing. All right, let's go and look at one of these templates. Huh? API key. Unknown field. Ah, okay, yeah, I guess so. All right, we get a 200 and we get the template. Cool. And the actual template. Perfect. That was easy. Yeah, let's move on. We'll do the list templates. So I'm gonna use the word lists instead of view because I think that's easier. But that will be the same, right? So we'll call this list templates. Yeah, that's a get to, app ID, and limit, all that other kind of crap. All right, so we got view templates, which I call list templates, and we got view template and then page templates. These are all done, which is basically, it's just, I extended this to be two different things. All right, now let's do update template. I don't think I've ever, oh wait, no, I did. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say, I don't think I ever did these, but I guess I did. No, I didn't finish, yeah. So I do have to come here and look at it here. let's make sure that I'm not updating the incorrect thing. Wait, how is this required? I don't think that's right. Okay, I'm gonna have to ask some folks how this. I don't know. I haven't looked at this at all, but this doesn't make sense. I had to give it a name. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, that don't make sense. I'm putting this here so that I can, when I share this, it's clear like what I need to be looking at. Cause you know, there's a lot of crap here. And even now I don't even see it. Oh, here, right there. There we go. So then I could just search for it. I could be like, oh, I remember I said something dumb. And I can just go search for that. Okay, so we'll say implement it's not complete. I probably should have said that, but whatever. I don't care that much. All right, I'm gonna go warm up a muffin, so I'll be right back. I think I'm gonna be right. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back. I got what is it? A cupcake? No, muffin. Yeah, that's what I got. Looks like something is jacked up. God damn it. Hopefully I'm live. I actually can't tell. Let's see. Oh shit, no wonder. Okay, all right, I am live. Okay, all right. Turns out it was paused on my iPad, and I was over here like, what's going on? It's working though. Anyway, I have this blueberry muffin from Common Bun. Look at it. I should make it. Maybe I should make it brighter. I don't see it. And yes, they use actual blueberries. They're freaking giant. They're little delicious. I may do a ride there when it's warm again. Maybe next year. We'll see. Actual blueberries. They're freaking giant. Let's waste some time right quick. And before I waste time, let's turn the music back down to a reasonable volume. There we go. So let's go look at Common Bun right quick. It's a bakery that's based here. Before I waste time, let's turn the music back down to a reasonable volume. And let's go look at Common Bun right quick. Yeah, it's a bakery that's based here. I'm sure there's a menu that. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. And look at the pastries. This right here, the Queen Amman. Oh my gosh, phenomenal. Phenomenal. I'm sure there's a menu that. Oh yeah, here it is. I don't have any. I may have pictures on my phone somewhere. Pastries. But I actually went for this. Oh my. They don't have them. They normally sell out. But every now and again, I get lucky, and I'll have a few of them, and I will buy all of them. They're expensive. I don't have any. I'll buy them anyway. Have pictures on my phone. Got some of these confetti cookies, although I didn't eat all of them. They gave some of them away. But every now and again, I get lucky. But they're delicious. They're not too sweet. Few of them, and blueberry muffin right here. And the other thing they're known for is their croissant. I don't like these types of croissant. I like actually just regular croissant. So let's go to blueberry muffin right here. It's in here somewhere. Bread. And the other thing they're known for is their croissant. Oh, okay, never mind. You can get one of them. Okay. I like actually just regular. I'm curious. How do y'all say croissant? Do you say like the French? I just realized y'all can't even see me. I'm over here talking shit. I was about to talk shit. Do y'all say like croissant? Croissant? Like you said it the French way? Anyway, that's Common Bun. That's what this muffin is. I'm gonna eat it before it gets cold. I got an idea though. I do have an idea. I'll at least tease y'all with it, you know. I won't just eat it in front of you. I'll show it and then eat it in front of you. All right. Let's see how this is gonna work. I don't want to waste this shit all over my desk. Normally I don't eat at my desk. All right, check that shit out. Blueberries. I don't know if y'all ever listened to Ludacris back in the early 2000s, mid 2000s. On one of his albums, I forget the album, but he had a song called Blueberry Yum Yum. Every time I eat these, that's what I'm thinking about. It's that song. It's a blueberry yum yum. The top of these are crispy because they put this sugar on it and like it crisp up. And it's like rock sugar. It's not that powdery bullshit. So like it's crispy on the top. And then in the bottom, it's like really moist and like dense with blueberries and shit. Anyway, I'm about to eat this. So. Oh man, I gotta fix my chat. The hell? I'm gonna move it. All right, cool. So now if people are like chatting or sending messages, it won't cover up my face. Noticed that the other day. And I proceeded to do nothing about it because I was just like, I don't care. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. So I was in the middle of debating on whether or not I want to give up on doing this, but I don't think I do. I think I want to go ahead and try to finish some of these. You know, get the create and the delete and the copy done. Maybe then I'll learn a little bit about how update template works by, you know, exploring these other two. But no matter what, this API is hard to use. It's not ergonomic at all. Like just looking at it, it's not ergonomic at all. For one, the things that would make sense to be able to update on a template don't make sense. For instance, if I create a template and it's an email template, it doesn't make sense that I should be able to change it from an email template to some other type of template. It makes zero sense to me. No, that's just it. That should be immutable once you create it. So these right here are just like, like what? And then there's this content here. All right, so let's go look at the contents. So this is just, you know, just like messages, you know, just what do you want to send, right? So this is being split between a bunch of different channels, which all are different. So there's SMS, email, and is that the only one? Is it and push? So it seems like email exists outside of this, and then this is all push or SMS. It's interesting. Dynamic content, yeah, sure. That's fine. You can do something with this later. All right, it's time to eat the top of this muffin. Oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna show off more. Hold on. I'm gonna turn up the brightness too, just so y'all can see. I'll be overexposed. All right, check this shit out. Wait, can you see it? See that shit? Yeah, look at that. All right, now here is the top. I always eat the top last because it's my favorite part. Oh man, you don't even understand. It's not those bullshit ass blueberry muffins that you get from the store where it's not even real blueberry muffin. It's not even real blueberry. It's like, gosh, what's that ingredient? Glycerol or something, or glycerin. One of those. It's one of that shit with food coloring and sugar. And it's not actual blueberry. Most blueberry muffins don't have blueberries in them. That's why I'm going so hard on this, because most blueberry muffins are literal garbage. Oh yeah, and the other thing that doesn't make sense is this name right here. So I'm gonna have to figure out if this is valid or if this is just a mistake in the documentation. And the way I'm gonna test that is just by trying to update a template that I'm gonna create soon. And then I'm gonna try to update it. Now, I'm not gonna pass a name and see if it lets me do it. If it does, then that just means it's maybe a mistake in the documentation. Or it could be a bug in the sense that in our technical design somewhere, it says that we're not supposed to do that, but we are doing that. So that's a bug. There has to be at least a handful, like a big fistful of blueberries in each one of these muffins. Oh, by the way, I released a new video. I think, wait, hold on, maybe it's not out yet. Oh, never mind. It's not out yet, but it will be out. I need to get a thumbnail created before then. It's supposed to come out at 7. If it comes out with a bullshit ass thumbnail, you'll know why. It's because I haven't done it. Bit of a random question. Do you use Berkeley Mono in your IDE? No. I'll wait. No. And then it's also like you have to ask the very legitimate question. Which one? Like I don't really. I use Xcode because I have to. You don't really get an option. I use Android Studio because you don't have to, but it makes it a lot more easier to deal with Android. Plus, Flutter uses Android Studio tooling as well. Yeah, and then like my SQL editor thingamajig, it's also a client. So I don't know if you want to consider that like an IDE. Let's see. I'm left-hand typing right now because I'm eating with my right hand. I'll deal with that at some point in my life. Not today. None of these are actually, hold on. Chronos, maybe this is running. No, it's not. Okay, damn it. Let me start up a database. Delicious. All right, it should let me log in, hopefully. Oh, it's not gonna let me log in as the user I am Will anymore. It shouldn't let me. I'm gonna do it anyway. Yeah, it didn't let me do it. I think it's like Postgres or something like that. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, so unless you want to consider this, which I don't even have anything in here. Actually, there should be some there should be some things that I can select from, actually. So if you want to consider this 90, maybe, because it has like syntax highlighting, it has completion, and wait, it's not gonna do it. What just happened? Ah, shit, never mind. I was gonna say, and it'll like go in and look at all the tables and shit and produce something, but it doesn't seem like it's doing it right now. I don't know. I'll have to look at it later. Oh yeah, dude, Table Plus is dope. Unfortunately, I don't have any database that's running locally that I can show you anything. And I do have a remote database, but it's not running. So I'll have to do a bunch of shit to get it running. It's not a bunch of shit. It was just I'll have to go to a website, log in, find the one, start it, wait, and then. So it's not really a bunch of steps. It's just me being lazy. I'll be back. I gotta go put my plate up. All right, we're back again. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, and some of the other things that I use on here. So I have VS Code, of course. But I also have Zed, which, yeah. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. And I guess this is the question that you're asking, really, is what font am I using? I'm using something called Mona Lisa. This is not an open source font. It is a paid font. Let me find it, Mona Lisa. And I will share with you. Hopefully YouTube doesn't block it and report me for spam or what do they call it? Scamming. I think that's what they call it when you do shit. Try to help people. Like, oh nah, you're scamming them. You're lying to them. Anyway, this is the website where you can go and check out the font and learn about why it was designed a certain kind of way and some of the features. Some of the things that you may have already noticed is that I do have ligatures enabled because it supports ligatures, and it also has symbols built in. And some of these symbols I use, like I legitimately use. For instance, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, the command symbol, return, stuff like that. No, because I am a Mac user, for real. And then you have these right here. So let's say that you are building like a terminal TUI client or something like that, or you want to have like a loading spinner or something on your platform. Well, now it's supported in your font. So you just, you can enumerate, or maybe not enumerate, but iterate through these in a cycle, these fonts right here. And if you do it fast enough, it'll appear as if you have a loading spinner that's spinning around in a circle. Because humans are fallible like that. If you show enough images in a quick enough successive order, they'll think that it's moving. It's, I don't know, we're interesting. But yeah, here it is. And I'm actually interested to know how much I paid for this, because I actually don't remember. Oh shit, I paid a lot. Okay. Well then, yeah. So I have the one that allows me to do what I want to do. Which, yeah. It's on sale, though. It's 20% off. It's probably the best time to get it. Oh, man. Yeah, so all of my tools should use the same font. I think the only thing that doesn't use it right now is NeoVim, and that's because I haven't configured it yet. And that's kind of on my list of things that I need to do, and maybe I'll do that at some point. Berkeley Mana. I haven't heard of that. Let's see. Oh, before I go and hear of that, let me make sure. Okay, all right, yeah, we're good. I'm also close this before it confuses me. Yeah, whatever. Ooh, I like this. I would use this in my terminal. Let's see. Wait, whoa. I thought I had another terminal running. Oh, I do. Okay, I do. All right, okay. Here we are. So let's just make this a little bit bigger. I'll do something like that. So I'm writing what I see over here to try to see how close or how similar it is, or not similar it is. So we'll do at tick. Yeah, all right. I like that. I like that other one better. Talk. Okay, yeah. Let me make sure I'm using what I think I'm using. I think I'm using it, but I might not be. Oh no, I am. I definitely am. I definitely am. Man, why did you, man? I thought I was good on spending money, bro. I've spent so much money this month. It's not even funny. Like it's not even funny, but you know, is this free? Maybe it's free and I don't have to pay anything. And I see a login though. Okay, never mind. Now there's definitely developer package. Okay, I'm a developer. Indie package. What the hell is an indie package? Wait, no, wait, hold on. Wait, what if I'm not a developer though? Man, I need this. You don't even understand. I need this. So here's where I am right now. All right. I'm going to use this in my terminal. But then I'm going to continue to use Mona Lisa everywhere else but my terminal. I think that makes sense. That makes sense, right? That makes sense to me. All right, this is on my list of things to buy. Potentially today, if there's a sale on it right now for, where are they based out of? Well, they're based here. Man, they should have a Black Friday special. All right, cool. I learned something new today. I learned that my font and my terminal is trash. It's not trash though. It's actually kind of dope. Although I should turn on ligature support. Yeah, I don't care about reducing performance. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Wait, look at that. You don't even understand. Ligature support. All right. Get rid of that, and we'll keep this around. All right, this music is not about to repeat. All right, so I think I said I was going to do this create template. So I'm going to do that, yeah. I'm going to do that. I'm going to just copy that and assume that it's all the same. It's probably not, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to, oh shit. I'm just going to deal with it. All right, so this is not going to be update. This is going to be create template. It's probably a post. It's just templates. Wait, why don't I? Okay, fine, whatever, fine. Everywhere else, we pass the app ID as a query parameter. Like, I understand that we can pass it in the body, but it's just like, it's just a little weird. It feels weird. But I guess it's not weird. Maybe this is just, you know, how the wheel rolls. Okay. So I'm gonna put the app ID in here. Wait, why didn't I do the same thing here in the update template? Where I also have a body. See, that's what I mean. It's just, I don't understand. All right, so we're gonna do app ID. No, do that. And app ID. Post template. And then we got name. I don't understand how contents. Oh, okay, I do understand, I guess. So if it's an email, then we don't care about content. So I'm gonna set this as email for now. So we'll say is email. That'll be true. And we'll change this to say create email template. Create email template. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, man. I'm gonna just come up with my own naming for these IDs. Because trying to follow what's here, it's like some of these names just aren't great. Okay, so we have our create email template now. And because it's an email template, I'm gonna give it these other things. So we'll give it a subject for the, yeah, we need a subject, email subject. Email subject. And now we need a body. Yeah, we're not, yeah, I'm just, yeah. Email body. I think this is just a string, right? Yeah, cool. So let's just throw in some raw HTML. Oops. Put in a body. create email template. All right, something's not happy. Oops. Okay. So there shouldn't be a content. I shouldn't need that anymore. All right, now why is it complaining at me? Is it because of white space again? Because it's this fucking YAML? Oh, I fucking hate this. Ah, shit. I hate YAML. This. My whole document was wrong because I had 2 extra spaces. Yeah. That makes a lot of fucking sense. All right. Create email template. Okay. Let's see what happens. Wait, hold on. No, I don't want to do this yet. Let's make this. Let's make this come from input. We'll call it template name. Okay, let's see how that works now. We're gonna say devrel tests 1. I don't know. Enter the subject of the email. Haha. Oh, look at that. Okay. It supposedly worked, so let's see if it did. We can test my other things that I've done now. So we'll go and view a template. Give it the template ID. Oh, look at that. Use a template. Okay. Yeah. That part. I guess I should do the same thing for these other types of templates. Oops. So we'll come back down here. Yeah, so we're gonna copy this again. Yeah, is it still jacked up? No, we're good. Okay. So this is not going to be a SMS template. So this email is not going to be that. I think it's going to be this SMS, which will be true. We'll need a contents. Oops. Give it the English one for initially. And then we could just say message, I guess. SMS message. Okay. Oh wait, no. Okay. Yeah, so everything would be inside of here, and then we get the EN, and then we could potentially put other stuff if we want. So let's try that. Oh, and let's give it a better name. Create SMS template. Make sure everything is looking good. Okay, so we're gonna say devrel SMS template tests. This is a test. No. Unprocessed something entity. Okay. What can't it process? All right, I have, okay. Let's not give it weird characters in the name. How about that? So we'll say this should work. He, ha, ha. Okay, all right. I don't know what the fuck. What am I doing wrong? Oh, is it because, wait, I have words. These could be fighting words. If this works. If this causes it to work, and that's the error that I got, oh my gosh. I'm pretty confident that's it. I'm not willing to bet anything on it though. What shall we call this? I don't know. No, what should we call it? I don't know. I'm sure people just want to see it work. Yo, what's up, Yanni? Yeah, I went out there earlier in my Patagonia. I felt nothing. I had this, whatever these things are. This is my cold weather beanie. It's insulated. I didn't feel nothing. I had this with the hat thing, the hoodie part over it, and it's like it hugs you, you know? I felt great. Now Roscoe, on the other hand, he looked cold. He seemed like he was in a hurry to get back, and I was just like, man, I'm out here, bro. I got on these double knit Nike, these double layer Nike socks, you know, the basketball socks. I'm good. All right. It doesn't really matter what the name is, so we'll say XYZ and then test he, they, are, whatever. I don't know. Shit, that worked. Yeah, I have words, man. Oh my gosh. That's not a pleasant error. We can do better, but I will move on for now. And just note this in the stream. Let's put a mark. Boom. All right, so what is this? Note that in the video log or whatever that thing is, the SRT that gets generated after these. All right, so we got the SMS template. Now let's do a push template. Yeah, that's weird. It's that like, yeah, I don't know. It's all right, fine. I will stop complaining and just. I don't know. It's hard to not complain. Let's see. Push. Do I have a push message? Yes, I do. Look at that. Template name. Why is it complaining? Push template. Authentication. Oh, wait, what? Is it because of indentation again? Fuck. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's create a push one. Because I can. And he did. And that didn't work. Okay, so he. Oh, wait, whoa. No, wait, no, that didn't work. Why didn't it work? Could there be? Oh, wait, hold on. Before I even ask that question, let's include the correct headers. I'm just not realizing that I'm not including the correct headers for certain things on these posts. Sometimes I get sidetracked. I'll notice something while I'm talking about something else. It's a thing. So we'll do content type and it should just know. I've done it everywhere else. Gosh, what is this? Application JSON. Application JSON and then char set equal UTF-8, something like that, maybe. That feels right. Let's see. Yeah, that's right. Perfect. I know what I'm doing. That shouldn't make a difference, but I am going to try it anyways. Doesn't. Oh, wait, no, doesn't matter. AB. Oh, shit, that was a poor name. Oh, well, definitely. Didn't do it. It didn't work anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay. I don't know why that's not working, to be honest. Is there a is push secret hidden thing? This is weird. So I do need to specify a platform, but we don't list them all out here. Let's try to say is all the other ones are false. So we'll say is SMS will be false, and is email will be false. Let's see if let's see what that does. Okay, same result. Okay. I thought I didn't have to do any of this. I shouldn't have to do any of this. This may be a bug that I need to report, so I'll just follow the bug report. Man, it sucks that I can't create this push thing. I create all the other ones, so I'm gonna move on and delete the ones that I just created using this thing that I'm about to do now. So yeah, we'll just copy all of that. I'm gonna delete all of this too. This is going to be delete. Okay, we got the app ID headers. I don't think I need to pass any content. I don't. Get the authorization. We don't need a body. Template ID. It's in the path. Yeah, I think it's message template ID, like that. Yeah. All right, cool. So now I have my delete template. So I created an email template right here. So I'll just take that ID. I wanted the scalar of it. I wonder if I do ... will that give me the scalar? Nah, it doesn't. All right. The reason why I don't like it is because I had to delete this right here and it just wastes a bunch of effort. All right, cool. Deleted my email, and then let's delete the SMS. Cool. Those two worked. So we will do a little bit of committing. All right, cool. So I'm done with this for now. I'm not doing segments unless, hold on, wait, maybe I will. Maybe it's stupidly easy. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Another day. Not today though. All right, so let's see how we're looking on everything. First, let's close. All right. Oh, okay. I still got a few more push messages. The view list. Some of these things aren't working the way that I would expect, like this. Or maybe it was just with the template that I gave it. I don't know. Did this ever end up working? Oh yeah, it did work. Okay. Perfect. So that works. And all of these were working. Yeah, so hopefully I should be finished with this before Christmas. And I got to get it ready to get open, so like to open source it, because it's not in a, I mean, sure, I could just be like, oh yeah, just put it out on the internet, but if you don't explain how to use it, people aren't going to use it. One thing that I've learned, and you can say I've learned this the hard way, is that things that I take for granted and think are just second nature and simple are not, in fact, just second nature and simple. You know, so what I'll likely end up doing is creating some type of install script, and this is internal. Like for people external, the instructions should be enough, but for internal, it'll be more of a clone this repo, type this thing, press enter, and then things should just happen. And then from then on out, you can just open up the tool and do these things with minimal knowing how to do any other thing. All right, let's quit. Close that out. Yeah, this font is dope. I need it in my life now. Excuse me. Okay. I got other types of things that need to get done outside of whatever that was I was just doing. Wait, hold on. Oh shit, I gotta build an Android app. God damn it. Yeah. I don't know if I feel like building anything in Android right now. I'll at least go look at what I need to look at. How about that? Why isn't my... Okay, fine, whatever. Beta 2 identity verification support. Yeah, that's here. Okay. What the? Well, I don't. Wait, what? I don't. What's going on? Where is? Oh, I can't read. Okay, I'm dumb. Okay, it's me being dumb. Okay, what version are we on? 5.2 beta something. Okay, let's move that there. 5.2 dash something beta. I wonder if this will just appear in the registry. I hope it will. It won't. Okay, well, we'll hard code it. Shit, I've already forgot. It's like 5.2. Excuse me, 0 beta something that way I don't have to remember it because I won't. Beta, oops, beta 02. Okay. Will it get it? Oh, okay, it's doing something, so it's not failing. It's not failing immediately, so that's something. Android sample. We'll create a new branch. Oh, well, I'm on the right branch. Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay, so we'll say beta SDK. Cool. So that seemed to have worked out happily. I'm gonna need to have that on for my purposes. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to have something that handles that event. Verification. What do we call it? Here, what language am I in? This is Kotlin. Oh, it's add J. Okay, I see. So we'll do this only on create. What's going on? Okay, there we are. Something doesn't seem to be happy. So there is something called a whatever that is, and it looks to be some type of a function. Okay, so let's see what happens if I just dump this in here, which I don't expect this to just work because this is obviously meant to go somewhere else, and I don't know where that is. Like here, I put these like this. I don't remember doing Java or Kotlin. I'm not even gonna lie, but I probably made something up. That's what it seems like. I made something up. Okay. I can go off of how I would like it to happen, to how I would like it to work. So we're gonna move that out. Oops. Then I can have a class, and then we can call it a, and it'll be a that. Or do you have to say implements in this language? No, you don't. Okay. All right. And then we can do is it a at override? No, it's not. Is it just override? That. Oh, it's just override. Okay. So it's Java that has to, wait, is it Java that does the at override? I don't remember. All these languages, they're all the same. They're all the same, but they're all different. And I make it a point not to care about their implementation specifics. We're gonna call this a JWT invalidated listener. So this is how I would prefer to do it. And then I can just give it my listener. Did y'all know the Mona Lisa? I thought that was a fictional painting, but I can believe it. This notion of people getting married late as hell is a very modern thing that's been occurring. If you go back even 50 years ago, it was completely different. Well, I don't know if things were crazy. I would argue that back in those days, people were less crazy than they are today. Got to keep in mind that in their time, population was increasing. In our time, population is decreasing. So if we only have one thing, we only have one purpose in life, and we're failing at that. So so it's just like, I don't know. They were the crazy ones. I wonder if I had to new it up here. Do you new up classes in this language? I'll just do this. No, I guess not. I like this. I'm happy with that. Like, if I had to do this. Oh, new it's not even a thing. Perfect. Yeah, great. I was just testing y'all. I knew it all along. All right, so what do I want to do here? What am I doing in Xcode? How about that? We'll do the same thing. Yeah, we'll do identity verification one. Okay. I'm validated listener. Oh, I'm actually doing things. I don't want to do anything right now. Damn it. Well, let's at least look at the event because apparently this can still fail. So let's see what I get on this event. Nothing. I just get the external ID. Oh, wait. I'm dumb. Okay. The switch is different. The switch is from my request that I'm making. So what I was doing here was just like writing out to the console, which I think in this language is like print line. And we'll say JWT invalidated. TN validated. How do you do? Okay. Do I have Kotlin on here? No, I don't. Kotlin Lang interpolation. Oh, it's just $. Okay, fine. Oh, actually, I like that a lot. I don't even have to, well, how would I escape it? Would I have to do that? I guess I would. Okay. So then we can say event like that. Cool. I like that. That seems fair enough. All right, let's run it. See what happens. How was the Mona Lisa when she got married? Oh, that's Cruz, bro. You ask him. Wait. This isn't just, well, I mean, okay, all right, fine. The fact that this part works and it's not crashing, or is it crashing? Let's go and look. Might be. Gosh, what is the log in Android? Is it mine? Yeah, it's mine. That's what it is. Okay, it accepted it. Perfect. All right. So I'm happy. Now, of course, I can't actually exercise that until I give it a JWT, but I mean, I had to do things in order to do that. Like I had to make a request to my server, which isn't running. I'm not about to go and run it either. So yeah, that's where I'm going to stop on the Android. So I've done some pre-work. So we'll say handle JWT invalidation. And we'll make sure I get this off my computer just in case. Well, I'm finishing up on the library, request library that I was working on. And I was gonna edit like my template in Final Cut. I have a Final, like I upgraded to Final Cut 11 and I also have some new tools and some new workflow things that I need to like solidify inside of a updated template. If you watch my previous 2 or 3, it may only be 2 right now, but at some point today it will be 3 videos, motovlogs, you'll notice that they sound very different and also the look is slightly different. And even between those 3 videos, they sound and look different because through each one of those, I was tweaking parameters and just changing, my workflow order in order to produce the result. And I will show, how about that? I can show Intel, how about, yeah, we'll show Intel. We quit Android Studio. Yeah, we don't need Kotlin anymore, you can go away. This is something I'm buying later. This thing right here. Let me bookmark it just in case. And we're not doing iOS development anymore. In fact, we never were going to do that today. Let's also quit GitHub. Anything to do with that looks like development. Let's just quit it. All right, look at that. No more development shit. Let's quit. So in all of my previous templates, I'm saying all as if I had many. I only have 2 currently, soon to be 3. But I have this thing right here, this mini project, which has some things in it. So what I'm going to do is make this more usable, because now that I've been using it, I realize what the deficiencies are. Oh shit. Excuse me. So what I'm going to end up doing is making use of more of these empty clips as placeholders and attaching my titles to that. Also, I noticed that I was having to change the color in certain things every single time. So what I'm going to try to do is get all of that stuff just ironed out, so that when I am using it in my future videos, which probably is going to be a while from now, so I'm going to forget a lot of things. Hence the reason why I'm trying to, get templates and all this kind of stuff created. It's so that when writing season comes back, all I do is just I just grab my template, I got my footage, and for the most part, I just edit it, and then I can just throw this shit on, and I get a fairly consistent product, more consistent than it used to be. So here, there's a title, there's this other title for subscribe, but I also have audio for it now. Also, I learned that I can change the color, so I'm going to change the color, and it's longer now, so that will be incorporated. This is also longer. And there's also a fade that I always do that's attached to here, and I'm always having to add it every time. I don't need to do that. I now have a new, let me show it. We'll go to here. All right, let me turn off the music. I'll pause it. Oh, I should turn this down. It's gonna be extra loud. Okay. So let's watch. Wait, what's going on? There it goes. So just that right there, that could be a part of my template, right? I don't have to, there's no reason why I have to keep doing this every single time. And I've only done it twice, and that's one time too many already. So I want to not do it again ever. And then here is another one. You hear the little click, whatever that sound is. I can't emulate it. The click, clink, cling, that sound, that shit, that. But it's different now. It's longer. So if you come to here, it fits better. I can actually pronounce it. See, it's click it, ding, like that. See, I can actually pronounce it now. And the reason why this is struggling is because I have noise reduction on, which is actually impressive that, it's going slow as hell, but the fact that it's able to do noise reduction at that level on 4K footage is impressive as hell to me. Anyway, so that click it, whatever sound and the length, that's changed, and I want to make sure that's part of the template. And then my look is also changed, also how I organize content. So the workflow of how I even get these clips created. So now I'm using multicam, and I'm doing my syncing here, doing my pre-processing here, my labeling here, my roles here, as much as I can here. And then I'm doing my cuts to the clip here, and I group the cuts into a compound clip where I can then, add my finishing stuff like sound and all that other kind of crap. So I get something that sounds dope, at least, relative. Some of the new tools, and that's part of also what I need to put in this template is, wait, where is it? Where is it at? Vlog. Wait, I don't see it. Oh, I'm in the wrong thing. I'm in transitions. Oh, no wonder. Okay, so there's something in here for my motovlog. Yeah, so these right here, I need to make sure that I have the correct template or preset names. You just click here and save effect presets, and you can say presets and all that kind of stuff. So I need to get all of that kind of stuff just in place before I forget it, which will be probably before next year. So I'm going to spend the next few days working on a new template as well as some variations of that template. So right now what I've noticed is that I have two types of motovlogs. I have my, where I'm not talking, we can call it ASMR. Those are a lot easier to produce. And then I have the other ones where I'm talking, which is a lot more work. But even then, I'm probably going to have to revisit that because some of the changes that I made to my workflow mean that I need to change the other parts of my workflow if I'm using video. I'm sorry, not video, voice. But yeah, been streaming for 3 hours now. What's the limit on those roads? What do you mean? What's the limit? Oh, like speed limit? Oh, it depends. They range anywhere from 25 to 50. That's the highest street speed limit I've seen. On the freeway, it can range from anywhere from 60 to 70 in the main part of the city. But once you get to the outskirts, 75 is you'll typically see 75. Some areas, well, I mean, hell, when you get out to West Texas, I think the speed limit goes up to like 80, 85 or something like that. But I think there's the toll, I think it's 135 in Austin, is 80 miles an hour or maybe 85. Let's see. And we'll turn my music back on. I'm gonna turn it down now. Oh, it's 130. This road right here. But I guess we want to know what the speed limit is. Highway 130 speed limit. Oh, it's 85. Okay, yeah, it's 85 miles an hour. Yeah, so that's not, I mean, it's not that far from here. Back when I used to go to school, I was always, passing here, but I would never ride it because I was always going to San Antonio. And honestly, it didn't really make that much sense to take it going to Austin because unless you need to go to South Austin, like in this region, like it was generally just faster to just take 290. Or take 71, which is normally what I would do. So take 1071 and just take that, because then you get right into like, you still get into the south of the city, but it's like downtown south. So you get right here. This is downtown Austin right here. So you kind of just come right in and miss all the 35, that kind of thing. I need to go do something else in Texas. Some of my best rides were in this region of Texas. Let me find it. Like out in Fredericksburg, Kerrville, like in this region, Lana. There are some roads out here. There are a lot of ranch roads. I don't know if I can find them. Yeah, I don't know where they are. What's dope though? Hold on, let me see. I should have photos from when I was in that region. Let me see. Oops. New update available. I don't care. Just like I'm trying to think of the year that this may have been in. It may have been 2018, maybe. Nah, it can't have been 2018. It must have been 2019 or 2020. I went out there. I remember taking my one of my whips out there for a weekend of epic driving. Oh my gosh. Some of the best driving I've ever done in Texas. Not even some of the best. Oh, I'm over here lying. It was the best driving I've ever done in this state. And I don't really think that I can go anywhere better. It's probably the best anywhere that you're going to experience in this state of Texas. I have way too many pictures. I wonder if I did I even do it in 2019? Maybe it was 2020. Holy shit, yeah. I think maybe I did it in 2020. I thought I was out of the country in 2020. Yeah, maybe I wasn't. Sorry, I know y'all can't see it. There's a reason. I have like personal pictures in here too from my friends. And you know, they didn't ask to be on my stream. Well, I can't find it yet, but I at least want to show y'all some of the stuff that I'm seeing right now, so that it's just not me looking off to the side. So you can kind of, so this is in Texas too. This is gosh, what do you call it? What phone is this? This looks like a phone picture. That's what I'm saying with phone. It is a phone. Okay, it's an iPhone. No wonder it looks so ugh. They always look so good on the phone, but as soon as you look at it on the computer, you're just like, oh, what the hell? But yeah, there's zebras here. So yeah, some zebras with the cows doing zebra cow shit. All right, let me find the pictures that I was looking for, because I was in that region and it's worth seeing. Because people often think that Texas is trash, and you know, everywhere has trash. It's not just us, everywhere. Oh wait, nope. Oh, nope, that's not. Dang, maybe it's 2021. Shit. Because I see that I'm out of the country now, and I'm like, that's what I remember. I was out of the country. Huh. All right, let's try 2021. Yeah, I was out of the country in 2021 too. Man, did I do it in 2022? Yeah, I don't know. Never mind. I can't find it. But it happened though. It's an area called the Three Sisters or something like that. Three Sisters road. So like this area right here. And there are a bunch of ranch roads. I remember taking one of them. And there are normally no cops on these ranch roads because they're ranch roads. And there's generally no people there because it's a ranch road, you know? This is kind of what so imagine, you know, you're in your nice little whip on these beautiful Texas roads, and I swear that this picture does not do it justice. Like, it's just rolling hills, and they're not short hills, like rolling hills for as far as you can see everywhere. It's like you get the changes in direction, you get rivers, you get streams. Sometimes the streams run through the road. It's kind of dope. Let's see. Maybe we could see some stuff. I'm actually surprised that. Okay, no, it's not working. I was gonna say I'm surprised that they had an image of part of the ranch road, because normally you don't even get navigation on that shit. Don't ask how I know. All right, well, 336 is one of the main roads out here. But yeah, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I need to go back. The problem is just that I have a Tesla now, and it's not worth going out there. And a Tesla, it's a trash car. It's not good as a car for driving. You know, if you like to drive like I do. Some people don't like driving. Man, I really wish, man, I'm gonna have to find some of my old images or old photos, or maybe it's video. Maybe I have video from when I was out there, because like, you don't understand, like, it's beautiful out there, and some of the roads you would never, like, I don't think they appear on the maps, you know? And they're all paved, because this is Texas. Everything is smooth. It's dope. But yeah, hopefully that answers someone's question of what the limit is on the road. All right, so let's do the first thing that needs to happen in order to update my library, which is to go and open it. So I'll just make a copy. Is that not working? Wait, why is this saying that it's okay? I'm done. Okay, so we're going to do this, and we're going to rename it V3. I think I can, yeah, I'm gonna keep it, but I do want to rename it. So I am gonna unlock it so I can do that. This is now going to be, actually no, I'm not gonna rename this. I'm gonna rename the other one. Okay, so this is going to be 2. And this is 3. And you're just going to ask me to update. Yeah, so we'll update this one. So now it's compatible with this, at least. And then we can start to do all the other stuff. But I'm not going to do that now. I've been streaming for 3 hours, which means I've been talking to myself for 2 hours and 50 minutes. So I'm going to go. And yeah, I'm gonna just go. Y'all have a good rest of the day, though. If you enjoy any part of this stream, you could consider pressing that little button, you know, giving it a like. It's free, you know, costs you nothing. You can subscribe if you want. You know, YouTube, I think, is still valuable, but your likes, just give me your likes. That's what YouTube cares about. Engagement, comments too. So give me some comments. But yeah, y'all have a good rest of the day. Peace.